Get ready for the next big thing in tech, Samsung's Tri-Fold phone. If you're a tech enthusiast, here's some exciting news you need to hear. Samsung's highly anticipated Tri-Fold smartphone has finally been revealed. Kind of. This sneak peek comes courtesy of an animation discovered in One UI 8, Samsung's latest software update. Rumor has it that the device, known as the Galaxy G Fold, has been kept under wraps, with few details shared until now. But as its impending launch draws closer, more information is starting to trickle out. The most significant leak so far comes in the form of an animation included in One UI 8, discovered by Android Authority. This animation provides a first look at the Galaxy G Fold's design, showcasing the phone's rear and open states, along with the placement of the NFC antenna. One key feature of this Tri-Fold phone is a triple camera setup, similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, complemented by selfie cameras on both the inner and outer screens. But here's where it gets controversial. Samsung's Tri-Fold design sets itself apart from Huawei's Mate XT. While Huawei's device folds in a Z pattern from top to bottom, Samsung's approach features an outer display in the center, resembling a Tri-Fold poster board that unfolds into a single display. This innovative mechanism was hinted at earlier and aligns with the concept Samsung showcased at MWC, the Flex G prototype. This device mirrored the functionality we now expect from the Galaxy G Fold, though it was larger and without an outer display. Looking ahead, we might get our first official glimpse of the Galaxy G Fold during Samsung's upcoming Unpacked event next week, though the main focus will be on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7. The Tri-Fold might just make a surprise appearance. Reports suggest that a full launch could take place in October, and this is the part most people miss. If you're thinking about getting your hands on the latest Samsung devices, pre-orders are already available for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7. Plus, you can snag a $50 credit on pre-orders. Best of all, these reservations don't require a purchase commitment. It's a fantastic chance to earn rewards, get the $50 credit, and enjoy special perks like 3 times reward points. What do you think about Samsung's Tri-Fold innovation? Is this the future of foldable smartphones? Or do you think other companies will challenge Samsung with more advanced designs? Share your thoughts in the comments.